Hi there, my name is Tony, Senior Content Advisor here at Carepatron. So today I'm going to take you through a mental health assessment. A mental health assessment is a tool for assessing a person's emotional and psychological well-being. It aids in the identification of any mental health issues or conditions that a person may be experiencing. It is an essential component of mental health treatment because it establishes a baseline for understanding a person's mental health and helps in the development of a treatment plan. The assessment may include mood, anxiety, substance abuse, trauma history, family history, medical history, and social support. This assessment can be used as a self-assessment questionnaire, clinical interview, psychological test, or simply use it to track the treatment progress and determine if any changes are required. This assessment is available to anyone who wants to assess their mental health, but keep in mind that individuals should seek professional help if they are experiencing persistent or severe mental health symptoms. And to use this assessment, here's a couple steps you can follow. Step 1. Download and print the free mental health assessment template using the link on our website. Step 2. Answer each question honestly and to the best of your ability. Remember, there's no wrong answer to these questions. Step 3. Review your responses and interpret your results based on the guide provided. And the last step is to check your results. And if your results are indicating that you are having difficulties with your mental health, it is important that you seek professional assistance. We have also created a sample template to help you better understand what this assessment is all about. Alternatively, you can also access this template using the Carepatron template library. All you have to do is to go to our website, log in, choose templates, select community templates, choose the template you want to use, select your client, make adjustment to the templates based on your own need. And if you want this to be filled by your client, make sure you click View By and you select Clients. And once you're done with everything, just click Publish.